AI isn't just a buzzword, but a game changer in the business landscape. I believe that's already happening, isn't it?
And we're seeing it in almost
Exactly.
every sector, every industry, in this fast-paced digital era.
Imagine a chatbot that can talk to you like a human, answer your questions, follow your instructions, and even create original content for you. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, not anymore. Meet ChatGPT, the latest and most advanced conversational AI from OpenAI. ChatGPT is a large language model that can generate natural and coherent responses based on the input prompt. And in this video, we will reveal 7 secrets about ChatGPT that you can't miss. Number 1. ChatGPT is based on GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. ChatGPT is built upon GPT 3.5 and GPT 4, 2 members of OpenAI's proprietary series of generative pre-trained transformer models based on the transformer architecture developed by Google. These models are trained on a massive corpus of text data from the internet, such as Wikipedia, news articles, books, social media posts, etc. They use deep neural networks to learn the patterns and relationships between words and sentences, and then use them to generate new text based on the input prompt. GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 are among the world's largest and most powerful language models, with billions of parameters and trillions of connections. They can handle complex tasks such as natural language understanding, natural language generation, text summarization, question answering, sentiment analysis, machine translation, and more. ChatGPT is fine-tuned from these models for conversational applications using supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. ChatGPT uses these methods to improve its conversational skills and adapt to different scenarios. Number 2. ChatGPT can handle multiple domains and languages. One of the challenges of conversational AI is to handle multiple domains and languages without losing coherence or accuracy. For example, a chatbot that can talk about sports may not be able to talk about politics or music, or a chatbot that can speak English may not be able to speak Spanish or Chinese. ChatGPT solves this problem by using a technique called zero-shot learning. Zero-shot learning means that the model can perform a task without prior training or examples. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to write a poem in French, it will try to do so even if it had never seen a French poem before. It will use its general knowledge of language and poetry to generate plausible responses. ChatGPT can handle multiple domains and languages because it has learned from a diverse, large-scale dataset covering many topics and languages. It can also use context clues from the input prompt to infer the domain and language of the conversation. Number 3. ChatGPT can create original content for you. Another amazing feature of ChatGPT is that it can create original content for you based on your request or instruction. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write a short story about aliens invading Earth, a song parodying Taylor Swift's Blank Space, or a code snippet for sorting an array in Python. ChatGPT will try to fulfill your request using its own words and creativity. Of course, the quality of the content may vary depending on the task difficulty and the instructions' clarity. But in general, ChatGPT can produce impressive results that are often humorous, witty, or surprising. Number 4. ChatGPT can learn from your feedback and preferences. ChatGPT is not a static or fixed chatbot that always gives the same responses. It is a dynamic, adaptive chatbot that can learn from your feedback and preferences. For example, if you tell ChatGPT that you like its response, it will try to give more responses like that in the future. You can also give ChatGPT more specific feedback, such as asking it to be more polite, concise, detailed, humorous, etc. ChatGPT will try to adjust its tone and style accordingly. ChatGPT can learn from your feedback and preferences because it uses reinforcement learning to optimize its behavior based on the rewards or penalties it receives. It also uses active learning to ask for feedback when uncertain or confused about how to respond. Number 5. ChatGPT can handle different types of conversations. ChatGPT is not limited to one type of conversation. It can handle different types of conversations depending on the goal and situation. For example, ChatGPT can have an informative conversation where it provides factual information or answers questions. ChatGPT can have a persuasive conversation, trying to convince or influence someone. ChatGPT can have a social conversation, chat casually, or build rapport with someone. ChatGPT can handle different types of conversations because it has learned from various sources of conversational data on the internet. It can also use different strategies and techniques for each type of conversation. For example, ChatGPT may use search engines or databases to retrieve relevant information for informative conversation. For a persuasive conversation, ChatGPT may use rhetorical devices or emotional appeals to persuade someone. ChatGPT may use humor or compliments to make someone feel comfortable for a social conversation. Number 6. ChatGPT can collaborate with other AI agents. ChatGPT is not only capable of talking to humans but also to other AI agents. For example, ChatGPT can collaborate with other chatbots or virtual assistants to perform complex tasks or solve problems. ChatGPT can compete with other chatbots or games to test its skills or have fun. ChatGPT can also communicate with other AI agents using different modalities, such as text, speech, images, etc. ChatGPT can collaborate with other AI agents because it has learned from many examples of multi-agent interactions on the internet. Its conversational skills and general intelligence can also coordinate and cooperate with other AI agents. Number 7. ChatGPT is still evolving and improving. The last secret about ChatGPT is that it is still evolving and improving. ChatGPT is not a finished product that has reached its peak performance. It is a research project constantly being updated and enhanced by OpenAI and its partners. OpenAI is improving the quality and diversity of ChatGPT's responses and reducing its errors and biases. OpenAI is also working on expanding the capabilities and applications of ChatGPT, such as enabling voice interaction, image generation, video synthesis, etc. OpenAI is also working on making ChatGPT more accessible and affordable for everyone. ChatGPT is still evolving and improving because it is part of OpenAI's vision of creating artificial general intelligence, AGI, AI that can perform any intellectual task that humans can. OpenAI believes that AGI can benefit humanity in many ways, such as advancing science, medicine, education, art, and more. However, OpenAI also recognizes AGI's potential risks and challenges, such as ethical, social, and safety issues. That's why OpenAI is committed to creating and promoting AGI that is aligned with human values and can be controlled by humans. To achieve this vision, OpenAI constantly researches and experiments on ChatGPT and other AI projects. OpenAI collaborates with other researchers, developers, and organizations worldwide to share ideas and resources. OpenAI also invites feedback and suggestions from the public and the users of ChatGPT to improve its performance and user experience. You can visit OpenAI's website or follow their social media accounts to learn more about their work and how you can get involved. So these are the 7 secrets about ChatGPT that you can't miss. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new and interesting about ChatGPT and conversational AI. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to try ChatGPT, you can visit its website or download its app and chat with it. You can also comment below and tell us what you think about ChatGPT or what you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!